This is the first test run of the soundproof blender box that my dad, Murray Nilsen, designed and built himself. As you can see, the blender is a Vitamix. It's full to the brim, which I highly recommend you don't do. And it's laced filled with big chunky ice cubes. Okay, so it's going to be extremely noisy. Let's see how this goes. So I've put the blender inside the box and I've switched it off at the wall. What I'm going to do now is turn the blender on, seal the door shut, and then hit the switch on the wall to activate it. Okay, the blender's in there. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay, so as you can see, the box cuts it in half, sealing the latch shut again, cuts it almost in half again. So, well done, Dad. Happy days.